Let's do record. Open up Excel. Go to data. From CSV. And we're going to come down here to R. Yeah, I would invite her to the person to join me on the stream, but I can't find a link to the stream. Like share. Let's import one. Transpose data. All right. Home. So now we got two. Come over here, new query, new file, new text file, 3, and so forth. All right. And we're going to say import this. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to create combine append queries, append to new query. And we're going to use 3 or more tables. So we're going to say, let's get rid of that. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Now let's do a count of the rows. We got 628,000 rows, okay? Okay. Now there's too much data here, okay, to import it, to send it all the way back over into Excel. So we do have to come up here, do a load to, and do a connection. And we can also, let's just add this to the data model for the fun of it. You know, it's kind of odd. I didn't get an email this evening saying I was live. I may have to go back to using OBS. Well, it started right at 8:15. There we go. No, I have also answered the question over here on Excel, right? Let's get rid of these. We don't want to confuse things. Okay. So now we got our rides over here. All right. What we want to do now, you want to go back into Power Query, and now you want to do all your data wrangling and all your data cleaning. Clean up the dates, clean up the dates, extract, say, the hour of the day from each ride and so forth, and calculate your trip duration, and various things like that. Okay, and that's basically the function. I'll point out very quickly. Go over here. Uh, do transform, you got all kinds of date functions over here, right? You can do it by month, by year, by week, beginning of the year, beginning of the month, and so forth. There's all kinds of things here. Uh, Times out, parse, hour, and so forth. Lots and lots of fun stuff there to work at to get your dates in order. Okay. Anyway, I'm not going to save this, but by all means, take a look at this when you get a chance, and maybe it'll help you out in the near future.